to start my Eid makeup, I'm gonna start with my eyes because when you do the eyeshadow powder, a lot of it falls on your face. So then I like to wipe my face before I do the rest of my base. Okay. Usually, right now I'm gonna do like a brownish cut crease smoky eye because I have a colorful outfit. So I'm gonna keep it kind of simple on my face. So I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam. First, I'm gonna cut my crease with concealer. So I'm gonna do the smoky part first. And then I'm gonna start with the brown. I got my brush. I go in with the Morphe M518 brush. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M518 brush, and then go ahead and go into the color Rustic here. I'm gonna tap out the excess powder and then go into my crease, just like that. And then I'm just gonna keep kind of blending out the color so there's no like harsh lines anywhere. Blend, blend, blend. It's okay if it goes like, it's gonna look really crazy in the beginning. This is how you get the good blending. And then tap some more, tap off the excess, and then blend on the other side. Kind of start at your crease, expand, blend. So now, once you've blended, now it's everywhere. Then I'm gonna tap a little bit into the Cypress Umber. It's like a darker brown. Tap that off, and I'm gonna just put that in my crease area here, so it's like a little bit dimension. And I'm not gonna move it out of that. Same again. And I'm only gonna put this in the crease area here, like towards the end of my eye, to like lengthen my eye and deepen this part a little bit. So just like that. Okay, perfect. So then